Hello again. Today we are going to see how we can implement left joint using LINQ Query. So these are our table 1 and table 2. As a output, we need complete data from table 1 and all the table 1 related data from table 2, like salary and departments. So in our output, we will check whether we have this ID present in table 2 or not. If it is there, then we'll fetch the information like salary and department and fill it into our final table. Okay, and if we don't have a information, ID not in present in table 2, it's fine. We will make it empty over there. So let's go to our UiPath and see how we can implement our left joint using LINQ. So I'll go to my UiPath. So these are my two tables in which I'm going to implement left joint. Okay, so this is table 1 and this is table 2 and this is the output which I'm expecting. Okay, so let's go to UiPath and let's take read range. So I will take one read range and another read range to read another sheet. So let me go to my file link. Okay, I will my sheet 1. So this is my sheet 1. Sheet 1 name is dt1 and let me go over here. Okay, so I will empty it so that it will read my entire sheet and I will write dt1. Okay, now my data table 1 is created. Now my data table 2, I'll go to link again, same sheet and dt2. Okay, good. And I'll remove the range. Okay, now I can dt2. I have created the variable. Now two table has been created. Okay, I'll go over here and I'll create the schema for my output table. So schema is basically the layout of my output table. So it should be, the layout should be over here. You can see the layout should be completely similar to my table 1. So I'll go to my UiPath and with that I'll say output dt. Okay, out dt, and it should be similar to dt1. So what I will do, dt1 dot, and I will do clone, clone, clone. Okay, now I have created the schema. So let me change it to from string to data table. Fine. So now till here I have read both tables and also created my output schema for from here. Okay, now what I can do is the final thing. So I need to create a LINQ query for my left joint. So what I will do, I will start with from keyword, from a in dt1 as enumerable. Okay, and I will say please group join. So group join is nothing but your left join. Group join in dt, sorry, in, okay, group join b in dt, sorry, dt2 as similarly enumerable. Okay, now group join has been done. Okay, so then I'm saying that relation. Okay, now the second thing which I need to remember is relation. So relation, I'm saying that from A, the first table ID should be equals to ID in B. If you are new to LINQ, please go to my previous video, introduction to LINQ in UiPath, and understand the link over there. So I have created the uh, relation between first table and second table, and I'm saying on into G is equal to group. Okay, fine. Sorry, equal to group. Okay, now the relation has been done. You have created a table, and now you have final group table is your G table. Okay, now it is possible that few IDs which are in group 1 or table 1 is not present in the table 2. So for that, I will write from s in g dot default if empty. Okay, and I'm saying that please select, and I will save it as a data row. Okay, so the first element which I want in my data row is my ID. So my ID from first one. Okay, the second one is, let me check what is my second field. My second field should be amount, which is from table 1. So I'll copy this one and I'll say it should be from a table 2. Okay, now third one. Let's see what is my third one. Third one is salary. So there's a twist over here. So I will say if s sorry, if is empty, empty. Oh, no, this is not empty, is nothing. If nothing, if your s is nothing, then what I want it to type nothing, or it to have the value as nothing, or the value from my join table. So salary. Okay. Similarly, okay, I need to check which was the, okay, fine. Now, similarly, I will check what is my fourth column over here. My fourth column department, which is coming from DT1, so it's fine. So I will say it should come from A, and which is department. Now, the fifth one. So the fifth column, the last column DEP is coming from the joint table, which is already joint, the full joint table. So I will say, okay, fine. If, again, if the value is empty, is nothing, if the S is nothing, then type nothing. If in my S you have the value, so please take it from the combined joined one, which is S. Okay, depth. So it will take the value from the entire combined table. Okay, so it will be look like this. Now I got my uh, array, the complete row array. From here, the final row array. So I want to save it, I want to add it inside my already created out dt. So what I will do, I will take select, and then what you need to do is I will say out dt dot, yes, I will say that rows, oh, rows dot add, come on, add, and what I want to add is I want to add this array into it. Okay, so now it has been created, and I want whatever output I will get it from here. It should be copy, copy to data table. Fine, and it's done. Now whatever output I'm getting output, as a data table. So I want to save it inside output final. Okay, and it's done. So what I need to do is I need to create this output as a data table. So I got my data table, and if I want to check whether it is right or wrong, so I will make it output, and the similar Excel file I will choose. Okay, and I'm gonna give it a name that's called butterfly link dt. Fine, and yes, I want to add the headers, and I will say output final. Okay, now we need to close this Excel file. Okay, so I'll close this one. I don't want to see it now, and better to run the file. Oh, belong to the data table. Oh, I made the mistake over here. Because this table is coming from my this is coming from here. Copy, it's coming from here. So I will say I want this table. Okay, cool. So I'll run it. Oh, sorry, I need to close the Excel file. Let me close the Excel file, and I don't want to. Let's close it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, now I can open my expectation and butterfly, and over here you can see all the output is similar. Okay, great. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.